Hello, Commuting with Candace, and I want to talk to you today about getting paid in an S-Corp. A lot of people are very confused about this, so I just want to tell you what the law is and when to start paying yourself and how to pay yourself, okay? So what you need to know is one of the requirements to be an S-Corp, and that is a filing status with the IRS. You're an LLC with your state, and then when you get your EIN or after you get your EIN, you tell the IRS, I want you to recognize me as an S-Corp. And this is a really great way to file your taxes, okay? But one of the requirements of filing as an S-Corp is you must have W-2 payroll for yourself, okay? And I'm going to explain to you why. The reason why they want you to have W-2 income for yourself from your company is because S-Corps can literally have zero self-employment tax otherwise. So if you're a partnership, you have guaranteed payments, they're subject to self-employment tax. If you're a sole proprietor, all of your net income is subject to self-employment tax. But when you're an S-Corp, your net profit is not subject to self-employment tax. That your distributions are not subject to self-employment tax. So let's talk first about what are distributions. Okay, so when you have started your S-Corp, and I want to look at this from being in your first year, and you don't even know if you're going to make a profit this year, okay? So you really don't want to be paying yourself a W-2 paycheck in the first year when you don't even know if your business is viable, going through the whole setup of payroll and paying yourself when you might have to pay that money right back to the company to keep it going. So I never recommend doing payroll in the first year or two. So what do you do then? What you do is you distribute money to yourself as you need it, because the money in the S-Corp belongs to you. So if you need money personally, transfer money to your personal account. Do not pay your personal bills with your business bank account or credit cards, okay? Just transfer the money, okay? So I'll give you an example of when you might want to start doing payroll. Sometimes it's not even in the second or the third year, okay? And if you have a viable reason not to be doing payroll yet, it's gonna be fine. It's not like you're gonna be in non-compliance. You're in non-compliance when you start making a profit, a sizable profit that you could have paid yourself payroll, and instead you just do distributions to avoid self-employment tax. Okay, but once you start making that profit, you do not have to pay yourself the whole amount of net profit is payroll. You only have to pay yourself what's considered a reasonable salary for your industry. That is not an obscure number. Those numbers are out there on the internet. They're published. You can just go say, I'm in the salon business. I have a hair salon. Not only do I provide the service, but I'm managing it. Or maybe you're just providing the service if you're a solopreneur, and go see what is listed as what the IRS considers a reasonable salary for that field, okay? So say they say $40,000 a year and you're making $100,000 net profit, okay? This is great. Pay yourself $40,000 in payroll, so you only have self-employment tax on that $40,000, and the other $60,000 you can just distribute to yourself by transferring the money to yourself. So it's all very simple. You never want to pay yourself super high payroll above that amount, unless for some reason you think it's a great idea to save your money in Social Security, which I can tell you it's not. That's another video. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.